Hey everyone, Manny Gomes here with your Sales Tip Monday. Last time we covered the needs analysis approach. Today we're going to go over the brain surgeon approach. And just like it sounds, the brain surgeon approach means that you're trying to convey a certain level of authority, that the information that you're presenting to them, the advice you're giving to them should be taken very seriously. Just like a brain surgeon would not expect you to kind of talk back to them or second guess the information they're giving to you about a brain surgeon, because they're the authorities when it comes to that. You want to bestow to your clients that you are an authority in your area and they should take the information and advice you're giving them very seriously. One example would be, and you can use a script if you would like, Mr. and Mrs. Client, while most people only sell or buy a home a few times, possibly a handful of times in their life, being an active agent in the neighborhood, I have the ability to work on a lot of transactions, and I have a pretty good sense of where buyer demand meets seller demand in terms of pricing. There's two different approaches we could take with pricing your home. We could price it at a point where we meet buyer demand, so we have more or less a reasonably quick closing, or we could go above buyer demand price and see if we could snag a buyer who's willing to pay up a little bit for your home in comparison to the other ones in the neighborhood. Now, if we do take this approach, we want to have a 30-day strategy where we have an agreed upon price reduction today to implement 30 days from now and then take it from there. Very simple, guys. You stage the sale, you telling them that you have the data and the knowledge and the expertise in the local area, and you have that because you're working on a lot of different transactions. They know at that point that they've only done maybe one or two transactions in their life of buying and selling, and you're making that known to them. And then you give them a couple of different options for them to pursue, but you're staging a price reduction in the future in case they go with option 2, which is a slightly above buyer demand pricing. Very simple, yet very, very effective. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much.